Hi, welcome to this video about workshop software feature which allows you to order parts really quickly and easily. What I've got is I have a job in the job center and I've opened up that job, and as you can see in here I've got a bit of labor, I've got some pads, I've got the set of rotors, and I've got an oil filter. So what I can do is if we go to the customer invoice star action menu here, what we can do is we've got this new option here called create order. So if you click on create order, what this does is it goes and gets all the products on the invoice and it goes and potentially orders them, right? Or gives you the option of being able to order them. What it has done is you'll see that the pads are from ABC Parts Store and these two products are from JB Auto Parts. Now, what I can do is I can do a couple of things. I can just go and confirm and order them if I wanted to. I can click in here and let's say I wanted to choose a different supplier, and so I wanted to go something like and order them from a different supplier if I wanted to. I could do that. I could do that on any of those fields. I can actually also change the quantity that I want to order. So I've got 4 of those on hand, so I might not want to order those. For example, I can clear any that have already got stock on them, so I can clear them. So if I do that, it actually takes that one away. And I can also, if I just wanted to say I just want to order them all from, let's say, Repco for argument's sake, I can just go that and I can go update all suppliers and it will update them all, right? So I've got the option of being able to change in here, so I can go JB Auto Parts. I could change this back to JB Auto Parts if I wanted to, so I've got individually change them, or I can change them as a whole there, right? So what I do then is if I go confirm, what this is going to do, this is going to go and create an order for those two products, and it will attach that order to this particular transaction. So that's as simple as it gets, and that's how you can go and order your products. If you want to, you can just click the attached orders here, and if you wanted to see that order for argument's sake, you can just click on this and it will actually go and open up that order. So you can see that the order, it's actually attached one to an order that was already existing, because if there's an order already open for that particular supplier, it will attach it to that supplier. So I'll just show you if we go and delete that. I'm just going to go and do the process again, right? So if I just go down here and I go create order, and let's say I'm going to go and do those again to JB Auto Parts. I'm going to clear the ones with stock. I'm going to update this one to be JB Auto Parts for argument's sake, and then I'm going to go confirm. This will go and create those orders, and it says up here item added to order. Or orders for argument's sake. So this could have been 5 different suppliers for argument's sake. So what we could do here is this is one supplier order, right? But it could have been 5 different suppliers. So if I open that now, you'll notice that this will actually be a new order. So because there wasn't already an open order for JB Auto Parts. So you can see how quick, simple and easy that is. It's really functional and effective. Of course, you can edit this order if you wanted to. You then need to process this order. That order hasn't actually been sent. It's created it as an open order. You would actually go and send that order off to your supplier. You would email it, whatever you might do, and away you go. So that's how simple it is to go and order those products from within a job, or add products onto an existing order. So you might have 10 different jobs. You could do that for 10 different jobs. You could have multiple suppliers and you could just build up all your orders, and then you just go into that supplier and send out one order, which might be for numerous different jobs. So it's really simple and effective and so easy to use. So I hope you love it. That is a gold feature for workshop software subscribers on the gold level. Thanks for watching.